Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I can understand.
Are you 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Oh,
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Why you wanted to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Um, I want to provide properly to my family, and this country offer me a high salary.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Sabel Lazaro, 31 years old, a single mother of two kids.
I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport already?
Yes.
When is your birthday?
June 17, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
155 centimeters and 69 kilo.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
I'm a graduate high school.
You mentioned that you got two kids and you are a single mother of two, right?
Yes.
How old are those children?
The first child is 12 years old and the other is 10 years old.
What happened? Why you separated with their father?
Yes.
What
I'm a
happened?
butter I am a battered husband.
You are a battered wife. So is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes.
Who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here?
My mother.
Your mother. How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Uh, she just stay in a house and 53 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
I am the eldest and I have two younger brothers.
Okay, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes.
Is it your first time working abroad or do you have any working experience abroad?
This is my second time.
Second time. Okay, so which place or which country you worked before?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi. How many years you worked there?
Only a year and
1 year
3 months.
only. You didn't finish your contract.
No,
Why?
because of pandemic.
Because of pandemic. Okay, what year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
May 2019, then I go home September 2020.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in KSA?
I am a domestic helper.
Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in KSA?
I do housekeeping, child I take care of a child and I assist an elderly.
How old is the children that you take care?
3 years old, 7, and 12.
How old is the elderly that you assist?
69 years old.
Is it female or male?
A female.
While taking care of these children and assisting of this elderly, did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time?
Yes.
Are you alone in the house or do you also have colleague there? Is there any other helper working there?
Yes.
How many? How many of you?
Only two of us.
Two of you. Okay, so you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? You already knew it because you already got experience in KSA. So you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook?
A little.
What food, what variety of cuisine you can prepare then?
Only so for the baby. For the little child.
Okay, but are you willing to learn some new recipes or are you willing to learn how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Oh, yes, madam.
Do you know how to speak Malay or Mandarin?
No.
Noah. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, sorry, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes.
You are the one who wanted to come and work to other countries or to work here in Malaysia because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. You want to sustain your children's future because, as you have mentioned a while ago, you are a single parent, correct?
Yes.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. Are you okay?
Yes, it's okay with me.
But if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate, and it means you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Yeah.
Yes.
I just wanted to make it clear in our initial interview that you are clear. I want to clarify, I want to be specific. I don't want later that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about the usage of handphone and about the rest day that you wanted to go out. No such a thing, because in our initial interview, I already explained it to you, and we will going to adhere with our no go out of days during our rest days. Okay, so you will going
Yes.
to stay only inside the employer's house. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, then you can come, we don't have problem later. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. Don't come and work here if you were going to demand us about all these things. Yeah, because in the first place, you agree about our terms and conditions. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so
I
always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations, respect the employer. Anything, any problem or any concerns inside the employer's house, you let inform or you inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so normally, how will you gonna handle your homesickness, knowing you see you've been stuck in the Philippines for 2020? After 2020, do you have any working experience, or you've been a full-time mother for until now?
Um, I'm still currently working at TDK Corporation.
And what year did you start it, and what year did you finish?
I'm still working.
Sorry, after 2020 in KSA, you work in Philippines also as a housemaid.
No, a company. I apply for a company.
How many years you work there?
Up to now, I'm still working.
What year did you start it and what year did you finish?
From 2020 to 2021, I've been working as a filler at a company of Super Globe company. Paint
Filler.
filler. I'm a paint filler. Paint filler.
Paint filler.
Yes.
Filler. Okay. So you worked there for 2021 until recently.
No, I apply another job as a production operator at the TDK Corporation.
Production operator. What year
Yeah.
did you started and what year did you finish?
I started at December 2021 up until now.
So 2020 to 2021, you worked as a paint filler, right?
Yes, then
1 year,
2020.
and after that, December 21 until recently, you worked as a production operator, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so normally, how do you handle your homesickness?
I wait for the my children to call me, speak to me through the phone, and it's fine with me because they understand why I work. It's for them. So I need to provide for them.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Sabel. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much
Okay.
and have a good day.